So this is the portable washing machine. This folds down. Here's the machine that obviously winds up when there's water running. It's connected with the USB, so if you're going traveling or camping, you can connect it to a portable battery or whatever, but also to an outlet. Comes with a sticky to fold it down. This obviously is 10 liters. Comes with all the instructions, what you can wash and everything. Quick little startup kit, more warnings and everything. And then once you're done, you just push it down, take out, and you store it. Comes with a handle, easy access, just pretty practical for any quick loads on the go and everything like that.